All right, this is a video of the procedure in preparation for the grade 10 science summative in the summer of 2020. All right, the directions were to use to create a red cabbage indicator, and red cabbage was actually a little bit hard to find, but I instead got a radicchio and was assured that it would work, although I was nervous the whole time. So the step one, as in the procedure, I peeled off 4 or 5 leaves from the radicchio. I placed it in about 500 milliliters of tap water and boiled it for 5 or 6 minutes. At the end of that time, I then poured it into my pour-over coffee setup, which worked really well because it's a strainer, actually. And so it strained back the leaves and any other debris, and the indicator then went into the carafe. After a little while, it cooled down, and I poured it into this measuring cup, and we were ready to go. I let it cool further before running through the actual testing of the indicator. And so, just so you know, what I decided to do was just to kind of show that the indicator worked. I didn't have a control. I guess the pure indicator might be just the control. So I made just a couple little setups here. I had some acetic acid, white vinegar on hand. Then I for an acid solution, which we would assume is an acid solution. And then I made a basic solution with some sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda. So let's have a gander. Okay, so here's our previously made red cabbage indicator. And we have 2 known solutions that we'll first use to show how the indicator works. The first is in an acetic solution, white vinegar. And the indicator turns pink in the presence of an acid. And then here we have a solution, a basic solution made with baking soda. And so the indicator does there. Goes to clear, going towards clear. Then as per the procedure, I have been exhaling into this sample, and as predicted, it has begun to turn slightly pink, demonstrating that the exhaled air forming carbonic acid in the solution is slightly acidic. Okay, so hopefully that's enough data for your summative today. I would like to clarify that I think what happened with the basic solution, if you notice, the basic solution at first, as the indicator went in, was clear, and then I think it just kind of overpowered it. It was in a form of a neutralization reaction. So if I hadn't poured in so much indicator, the indicator would have gone clear in the presence of the base. And with the solution that I was exhaling into, I had been exhaling into it for probably on and off for 10 minutes. So it was taking quite a bit of time to form enough carbonic acid to lower the pH of the tap water to get the indicator to change colors. All right, thank you very much.